morning to respected Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. India, one of the oldest civilizations of the world. India is a mosaic of the multicultural experience with a rich heritage and myriad attractions. With this theme, students of classes 4D, 4E and 4F are hereby presenting an assembly on International Youth Day, Monsoon Festival and World Organ Donation Day.
Hello everyone, this is Ida Agrawal. Here I'm going to update a few important news. Weightlifter Mirabai Chanu opened India's medal account at Tokyo Olympics with silver medal. Ace shuttler PV Sindhu bagged bronze medal at Tokyo Olympics, becoming the first Indian sportswoman to win 2 Olympic medals. CBSE has announced the result of class 10th and 12th board exams 2021. Girls outshine while boys 99% of students pass the exam. Chhattisgarh schools reopened for classes 10th and 12th from 2nd August 2021 with 50% capacity. KPS NEHRU NAGAR students once again excelled in class 10th and 12th board examination. Vasundhara Agrawal, Krish Agrawal and Khushi Wadhwani are the toppers of the season. The school organizes various activities, competitions and celebrations through virtual mode. That's all for today. Good day.
India is stretching its wings high towards the economic growth as well. I'm glad and feeling proud to announce that it is the world's 6th largest economy by nominal GDP and 3rd largest by purchasing power parity.
Good morning to all. Economic growth of a country is not easy to understand, especially for small kids. Economic growth. Economy, the word is related to money, whereas growth means progress, development. Development of a country depends on the education of its citizen. It means education is the key factor of this process. Education provides new information, knowledge, and ideas. This leads towards the growth of modern technology, infrastructure, and development of a country. To understand this in a better way, just giving an example. Suppose India is a tree. Its branches are made up of 3 sectors: agricultural sector, industrial sectors, and service sectors. These 3 sectors provide employment, or we can say these 3 sectors provide an opportunity to earn money. Children. Roots are the children. If the children are not being educated and groomed properly, so these 3 sectors will not grow high. To make India strong, children need to be educated. पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया.
The theme of International Youth Day is based on Youth Innovation for Human with the aim of highlighting the success of such a global effort. Let's see our next performance.
মোহনায় ফাগুনেরও মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনেরও মোহনায় ফাগুনেরও মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনেরও মোহনায়
बचपन वर्गी मौज नी लबनी बचपन वर्गी मौज नी लबनी भावें लाइए लख गुहारा भी मेले मित्रा दे यारा लाल बहारा 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 मेले मित्रा
ওই রাতি দুপরলে ময়না কেঁচা কেঁচা মৰম তোমাক যাচিমে কাষতে বহুৱায়ে ময়না মিঠা মিঠা
Monsoon, a season which not only refreshes our mind and soul, but also defines the intense relationship between agriculture, societies and nature. One of the famous celebrations of Chhattisgarh in this regard is Hareli. Let's celebrate monsoon with the magnificent poem and Hareli act.
Beauty of rain. In time of silver rain, the earth put forth new life again. Green grasses grows and flowers lift their heads, and over all the plain the wonder spreads of life, of life, of life. In time of silver rain, the butterfly lifts silken wings to catch a rainbow cries, and trees put forth new leaves to sing in joy beneath the sky. In time of silver rain, when spring and life are new. Thank you.
आज हरेली त्योहार हरे बेटी आज गेट में नीम की तारा लगा था आज छत्तीसगढ़ के पहली त्योहार हरे एकर से कीटाणु मल नहीं आए।
अरे वाह, तो आजकल मीठा चीला खाए
हाँ जा तो एक तो बेटी माँ मीठा चला बनाए हो ही।
Organ Donation Day is observed on 13 August every year. This day strives to motivate people to donate their healthy and precious organs after death to save lives. Our upcoming act will teach a lesson for the same.
चलिए दादाजी खेलने चलते हैं।
अभी रुको बेटा, मैं अभी एक फॉर्म भर रहा हूँ।
कैसा फॉर्म दादाजी?
हम गीते जी तो बहुत सारा दान करते हैं, जैसे अंगदान, गोदान। वैसे ही मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं इस दुनिया में से जाऊँ तो अपने आंखें दान करके जाऊँ। इसी के लिए मैं फॉर्म भर रहा हूँ।
इसके लिए फॉर्म भरा जाता है क्या?
हाँ बेटा, मैं अपनी आंखें दान करना चाहता हूँ ताकि कोई मेरी आंखों से दुनिया देख सके और उसके जिंदगी में उजाला आ सके।
क्या मैं भी ये कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ बेटा, अंगदान सभी दानों में सर्वश्रेष्ठ है। हम सबको अंगदान करना चाहिए। अंगदान महादान।